What is going on, guys? It's Phone Repair Guru. Today we're gonna be taking a look at this fake iPhone 11 Pro Max with a bit more detail. It's so ugly. That's the ugliest charging screen I've ever seen in my life. We're gonna take a look at this iPhone 11 Pro Max in a bit more detail. As you can tell, it's not very pretty. The logo is barely visible and the bottom two cameras are so obviously fake. So the first thing we're gonna want to do, as requested by you guys, if you haven't seen my shorts, go check them out. I did 2 videos on this phone. You guys wanted to see the software on this phone, so we're gonna take a look at that, and then we're gonna probably tear it down in another video. So right off the bat, you guys can tell the Apple logo does look good. It honestly looks a little better on this phone, the fake phone. It does seem to be an OLED, which is kind of surprising for a fake iPhone. But obviously, it's gonna take a really long time to boot because it's not good quality.
Several days later.
There we go, guys. We finally got it to boot, and it's definitely not December 31st or 808, but hey, that's all good. So right off the bat, you can tell it has this big fat no SIM card, which is very unattractive. It also has the assistive touch just on all the time, which is okay, I guess. The buttons do work. Flash is not terrible, actually. Compared to the iPhone 11, it's not that bad. So let's turn that off and let's check out the camera. It takes in a little bit more light than the iPhone 12, but the iPhone 11, sorry. There is no 1 or 2. It uses all the same camera. So if I cover both of these cameras and I change this, it still uses the same camera. So I'm gonna take a video with both of them side by side. Doesn't let you click the video. Finally. Okay, so we're gonna take a video side by side and play it back. Almost dropped them both. Now let's see the video. We'll play them both at the same time. So it looks like a 2 megapixel camera, and the microphone is absolutely trash. It just does not sound good at all. So now we're in the phone. Right off the bat, you can see a bit of a difference between the colors of the two. So let's go into settings and let's check out what this phone thinks it is. So we'll go to about, and it thinks it's an iPhone 11 Pro Max. They did kind of nail this part, I can't even lie. Doesn't look too bad, but it is running iOS 13.5, so we're not gonna see any widgets or app library or anything like that. So let's go to the widget center. I'm not sure what this is called. And right off the bat, you can tell the search isn't working, and it doesn't let you speak into the microphone to search or anything like that. So if we go to FaceTime, it's similar. This is how it looked on iOS 12 or 13, I believe, but it doesn't let you do anything, so it's just for show, basically. A lot of features in this phone are actually just for show. They don't really have any function. They just are there just for the looks. Like the App Store, this does absolutely nothing. This phone actually runs Android, so the Google Play Store is hidden in here, but it is in here. Let's see if voice memo works. I want to test out the microphone and the speaker a little more. So we're gonna go to voice memo on both. Obviously, this is the older version of voice memo, so we're just gonna record. Hello, hello, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, hello. Now let's play this back. I'll name it test. Obviously, it has the Android keyboard. Not a fan of this keyboard. Volume buttons. I'm pretty sure this came out in iOS 14, so Not really sure what this is doing on iOS 13, but anyway, let's play that back.
Hello, hello, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, hello.
Yeah, it doesn't sound great.
Hello, hello, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, hello.
So obviously, no surprise there. The fake iPhone 11 Pro has a trash microphone and a trash speaker, trash animations too. So I'm just checking out the wallpapers here. I want to do a little comparison. This phone is factory reset as well, so they should have similar wallpapers. So let's go to choose new wallpaper. Let's go stills. So most of these are new. They added their own wallpapers, I guess, or they have more. So I only see these that are really the same, and this one, and there's girls at the bottom too. That's kind of strange. Okay, anyway, let's go to dynamic. Yeah, there is no dynamic. It's just useless. It doesn't do anything. Let's go to live. Oh, so they actually do have live wallpapers. Let's choose this one, and obviously it's very ugly, but hey, set both. Cool, I guess. It's honestly quite convincing. It could fool someone. It did fool the guy that I bought this off, so it could easily fool someone, especially if it's a new phone and you haven't seen it yet. You could fall for this trap. Let's see what the Apple Watch does. I mean, I guess it's just, oh, that's really cool. I don't have a watch to actually pair this with right now, but I wonder if this actually pairs with the Apple Watch or just one of those knockoffs. That is quite interesting. So yeah, this phone does have 64 gigabytes of memory. It is obviously a lot slower than an iPhone. One of the reasons it is because it's running Android as well as this custom interface that integrates with Android. Let's check out music. It is fairly similar. See the control center. So that's max brightness. There is no 3D touch or anything like that. And AirPlay is just a pawn, doesn't do anything. The alarm is similar. They can never nail the font. I'm not sure why. Find iPhone. That's just Google Maps. Makes sense, I guess. Podcasts, Google Play. Definitely is cool. I'm thinking about buying the fake iPhone 12 Pro just to see how that works or how that looks. These bottom screws don't do anything. Everything is cosmetic. We can actually take off the back glass. I'm gonna do a full teardown on this soon. But when I opened it last time, I thought this was the battery, when in fact this is the battery. So it's hard soldered to the board, and whoever soldered this didn't do a great job. I mean, I'm not an expert at soldering, but this just doesn't look too great to me. So yeah, I might break this opening it up. We'll see. Let me know if you guys want to see me open this up, because I'm not too sure if I want to just yet. Probably be very similar to repairing Android, but I guess there's only one way to find out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Definitely don't buy a fake iPhone unless you really want one. In that case, just buy a real one that's cheaper or older, but the choice is yours really. But yeah, that is all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. More videos to come. I did just finish recording the speaker mod for the iPhone 7 Plus. Basically the speaker lights up with LEDs. That is going to be an interesting video, so I hope you guys check that out. Should be up by the end of this week or beginning of next week. Can't really tell you guys just yet. But yeah, that is all for today guys. I will see you in the next one.